Hello everyone, this is an important message for all those who are ready to be vaccinated. In this video, we will learn about vaccines which are currently available in India, why vaccination is important and where and how you can register yourself and your family for the vaccine. Presently there are two vaccines which are available in India: Covaxin and Covishield. Covaxin is fully made, developed and produced in India. It is considered to be one of the most effective and tolerant vaccines against mutant strains. Covaxin contains inactivated dead viruses, which will not affect a person but still able to instruct your immune system to prepare a defense mechanism against the active virus. The efficacy rate of Covaxin is 81%. Additionally, there has also been clinical evidence that suggests that Covaxin could reduce severity and mortality risk by a whopping 100%. After the first dose, second dose of Covaxin should be administered in the interval of 4 to 6 weeks. Injection site pain, swelling, redness, itching, headache, fever, body ache, nausea, vomiting or rashes are some of the side effects of this vaccine. And it is usually for 1 to 2 days. Covishield is also a home-grown vaccine and is also very effective for deadly coronavirus. Covishield is a popular choice and are used in maximum countries. Covishield uses an adenovirus found in chimpanzees, CHAD0X1, to deliver spike proteins and mount a tolerable immune response in response to a live virus. The efficacy rate of Covishield is 70%, which will be further scaled up to 90% after a full dose. After the first dose, second dose of Covishield should be administered in the interval of 6 to 8 weeks. Lump at the injection site, joint pain or muscle ache, vomiting, nausea, fever common, feeling dizzy, tenderness, pain, warmth, redness, itching, abdominal pain, excessive sweating, fatigue are some of the side effects of this vaccine. And it is usually for 1 to 2 days. Got vaccinated but still got infected? Vaccination protects you from getting seriously ill and dying from COVID-19. For the first 14 days after getting a vaccination, you do not have significant levels of protection, and then it increases gradually. For a single-dose vaccine, immunity will generally occur 2 weeks after vaccination. Both doses are needed to achieve the highest level of immunity possible. So can we stop taking precautions after being vaccinated? No. While a COVID-19 vaccine will protect you from serious illness and death, to help keep others safe, continue to maintain at least a 1-meter distance from others, cover a cough or sneeze in your elbow, clean your hands frequently and wear a mask, particularly in enclosed, crowded or poorly ventilated spaces. Always follow guidance from local authorities based on the situation and risk where you live. As the virus is very new to us, to the scientists, and also to the medical department, there are many sectors which are not yet proven or discovered. Like, you may not be ill by the virus, but you may work as a carrier and infect those who are not yet vaccinated, like the age group below 18 years. So it is highly recommended that everyone should go and take these vaccines, as both are approved by WHO and it has been proven that both vaccines are well effective to fight with coronavirus. Who should not get the vaccine? You should not take the vaccine or consult your healthcare provider if you had a severe allergic reaction after a previous dose of this vaccine. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, you should not get the vaccine, as the effect of the vaccine has not been studied in pregnant women and nursing mothers. If you have fever, if you have a bleeding disorder or are on a blood thinner, if you are immunocompromised or are on a medicine that affects your immune system, if you have received another COVID-19 vaccine, For registrations, visit www.kawin.gov.in or Arogya Setu app. Register yourself and search for the vaccination center nearest to your location by either searching through PIN code or by choosing the state or the district. Citizens aged 45 years and above can schedule appointments online or walk into vaccination centers. However, citizens aged 18 to 44 years should mandatorily register themselves and schedule appointment online before going to vaccination center. You can register up to 4 people using the same mobile number. Those who don't have smartphones or computers can take help from friends or family for online registration. The system will show the final price of the vaccine at the time of scheduling an appointment. Depending on the state they live in or the facility they decide to get the dose at, government, private ones, subsidies may be offered. Some states have also offered free of cost. Government allows the citizens to take the second dose in any other state district if they want to. The only restriction is that you will be able to get vaccinated only on those centers which are offering the same vaccine as was administered to you on your first dose. It is possible that no facility near your place has published their vaccination program yet. In that case, you need to wait for some time till vaccination facilities near you are onboarded on CoWIN platform, become active, and start their services. Once an appointment is scheduled, you will receive the details of the vaccination center, date and time slot chosen for appointment in an SMS sent to your registered mobile number. You can also download the appointment slip and print it or keep it on your smartphone. In case you are not able to go for vaccination on the date of appointment, you can reschedule the appointment by clicking on Reschedule tab. The appointment can be rescheduled anytime. Once the vaccination is done, you can download your vaccination certificate from the CoWIN portal, kawin.gov.in, or the Arogya Setu app. It is an evidence for all the citizens to prove to any entities which may require proof of vaccination, especially in case of travel. In case of any severe side effects caused by vaccination, you can contact on any of the below mentioned details of the government. You may also contact the vaccination center where you took vaccination for advice. For more details related to vaccines, you can visit the website mentioned below. And for any questions related to registration process, you can visit the below mentioned website. Get vaccinated. Save yourself and your family.